Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube icon using Google Chrome. This is useful if you want quick access to YouTube from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar without opening Chrome and searching for YouTube every time. First, open Google Chrome. Go to youtube.com. Once YouTube is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Depending on your version of Chrome, look for Save and Share or Cast, Save, and Share. Then choose Install Page as App or Create Shortcut. If you see Install YouTube, click it. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation. Click Install. YouTube will now open in its own app-style window. You should also see a YouTube icon added to your computer. If you want it on your taskbar, right-click the YouTube icon while it's open and choose Pin to Taskbar. You can also find it from the Start menu and pin it from there. If your version of Chrome only gives you the Create Shortcut option, click it and create the shortcut. The YouTube shortcut should then appear on your desktop. Now you can open YouTube directly by clicking the icon instead of opening Chrome first. And that's how to add a YouTube icon using Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.